All right, very warm welcome to you all. It's the 3rd June 2021, Thursday, 3:53 as I record this video. The weekly expiry has just concluded. This is not the post-market analysis. I told you this is not going to be the post-market. For the next 2-3 days, we're not going to come with that. I will talk about the markets for 5 minutes, maybe in the end of the video. But this is about teaching you something, some mistakes that I've done very early, and I've realized them very early in my trading life, in my trading journey. So listen to it very, very carefully. It's more of an educational video, more of a video for retail traders, if I can put it that way. All right. I will try to use it in context with what happened today and then try to teach you a lesson, what I have learned or I have the mistakes I have made in the earlier part of my lives. Today, around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, Devang Mehra made a loss of 4,000 rupees. 4,800 rupees to be exact. The capital that I used on that trade, keep listening, was around 12,000 rupees, right? I think 80 bucks was the premium, 125 quantities. So it's about 12,000, 13,000 rupees approximately. I'm not very good at maths right now. Yes, I 12,000 in a trade, 30% loss. Trade 4,800 was a loss. Now, right now, when you think about it, 30% loss aapne kar diya. What really happened? Yes, this is the same guy who used to buy 8 lakh worth of shorts of ICICI and Axis Bank about 1 or 2 months ago. Keep listening. Is Devang Mehra's capital blown away? It's not that, because every single day you see that I am putting more and more money in my equity. You all are aware of the screenshots that you get on Telegram, Discord, everywhere. So it's not the account blowing story. That's probably something you would like to think of, but that is not true. So what really happened? Devang Mehra was in a loss of 4,000 rupees for about 20 minutes. And at the end of the day, what happened? Made a profit of 6,000 on another trade, ended the day with a 2,000 rupees profit. I had another trade open, so 5,000 rupees profit. From a 4,000 loss, 5,000 profit on a capital of what, 12, 13,000. What am I coming at? What am I coming at? Is this 30% loss that I suffered on the initial trade, 30% loss on my entire capital? Or is that 4,000 loss I've suffered a loss on 30% on 1/10 of my capital? Or is that 4,000 rupees loss I've suffered a 30% loss on 12,000, which is 1/10 of 1/10 of 1/10 of my capital? I'm not trying to boast, but I'm trying to make a point. This is some rules I have discussed with you a lot of times. Today's video, what the title is, majority of the traders lose money on expiry. They blow up their accounts on expiry. I'm trying to come to a point and I'm trying to give my own example. I do not want to get other people in the picture. And I want to give my own personal examples, and I want to show you what I am trying to come to. So end of the day, I was green, 2,000-3,000 rupees green. That is all. That is all. The entire 6 hours, the person who keeps guiding everyone on Telegram, only in a 2,000 rupees profit on options. Kya ho gaya? Today you have to understand is something what we call a weekly expiry. It becomes much more explosive when we call it the monthly expiry. But today is something we call the weekly expiry. You have to understand on weekly expiries, adjustments take place. A lot of adjustments. If you're new to the market, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but yes, that's a very, very big term. Today is generally a market for option sellers, and I'm not a person who's an option seller, right? I could be, but I'm not a person who enjoys hedging. I'm a person who likes to sit naked in a position. I have stops in my mind like I had today. If it gets hit, I'm out, take a loss and I'm out. But otherwise, I want to make some money by being on one side, by being sure what I want to do, the conviction that I have. The biggest sin in this market, or I would say in the world, what is the biggest sin? I want to make this a very interactive session. I'm not concerned about the likes and all on this video, but I want to see some comments here. I want to make it an interactive session because I want to see how many people are actually learning from the videos that I do, and how many people who are actually in trouble, they read the comments and they'll see what's really going on with the journey. So this video is an endeavor from my side to help others who are in trouble. The biggest sin, or the biggest sin, I will let you put it that way, in this market, in this life, is greed. And expiry is one day, which can either make you, if you're in the market, if you put 10,000, expiry can make that 10,000 1 lakh. It's been done. 10,000 can become even 5 lakh, 10 lakh. It's been done. Not by me, but by others. I have people in that community, but I have never been so lucky enough. Probably I don't believe in luck, but it's been done. It can either make you if you're lucky, or it can devastate you. I'm not using the word break. I'm using the word devastate you. And generally, 99% of the times, expiries are known to devastate retail traders. People who have small accounts, not people who have big amounts. Even big amount people get slayed, but expiry does a lot of times, 99%, I would like to put it that way, slay the retail traders, small account people. And that is what happens. You can't enter the markets again, because most of our families, people think markets are gambling, which has been the dogma for a very, very long period of time. And when you bet everything on one expiry, and when everything is gone, you can't ask for money from anyone, because you can't show the effort that you're putting in. Everything's gone, and money is hard earned. People don't understand that. There is one message that I got today, which really motivated me to do this video. First of all, I'm not upset, angry, or anything. Today, you can all see the performance of all the TFA community. It's on the Instagram page, about 100 screenshots posted. I'm very happy to see the performance. I'm very happy to see the change in the performance. One thing I would like to tell you is one very, very important message. It's not about the profit screenshots that you send us that matter. It's more about the loss or the difficult times screenshots that matters. I'll tell you one biggest learning that I've had in my life in the markets. I've been trading for the last 6 years now, equity, option, whatever it is. I've learned one very important thing, that you need to have a confidant. You need to have someone to keep in confidence. The biggest problem is, a lot of times, I would say 80% of people in India can't keep their parents actually in confidence, because they don't have their permission to trade in the markets, and they want to do something in the markets and hide the results and maybe prove them one day. That is what I've heard from a lot of people. I've talked to lots of people, believe me. I've talked to lots of people. That's the best answer I've got, that my father or mother doesn't know I'm trading, and at the end of the day, I want to prove them that मैंने अपना account double कर लिया है, and I want to show them the results that trading is not gambling. It is something, it's logical. But over that journey, like we say small caps, 1 out of 100 can turn multi-baggers. That is the case with some people. They don't tell their family and they can turn multi-baggers. But there are still 90% of the people who struggle very, very bad when they enter the markets. And what I'm trying to say is, you will make losses when you start. It's impossible that you make profits every single day. If you do that, you're very, very lucky. Or I can say very, very unlucky, because you'll see a big loss at the later part of the journey when the account is big. And I always tell people, whoever join my course, the first word or the first line I tell them is, please first make a loss and come to me. Imagine people coming and paying us for the courses, and I tell them, do a loss and come to me. Why? Because when your account is small, do a loss, because later on when the account is big, you have to first sit through a loss and then see that position become a profit. It's very, very important and very, very deep what I have just said right now. Think about it again and again. But when I started my journey in the markets, a lot of people ask me, how did you start? I'll come to that later. When I started, I was hiding things from my family and everyone. And I've been told, when there is something, when you keep something inside, you feel very pressurized, and that affects your life. But if you share your secrets, your inner secrets with others, you feel very, very light and very, very comfortable environment in life, whether it's the markets or anything else. That is what I did. After some very, very difficult days that I faced in the early years, I started confiding in my members of my family. I was very lucky very fortunate to be able to do that. It took some time, but eventually I did trust my family, and I told them every day. Every day at lunch, I would tell them, this is what I did. This is today's loss. This is today's profit. I didn't have to, but I did tell them. Why? Because once I told it to them, I felt light. If I was in a good day, everything was fine. If I was in a bad day, even then everything would be fine. Why? Because I had my family to console me. I had someone to look after me. But that was not the case when I didn't tell anyone when I was in a loss. I used to, after the markets, sleep for 4 hours, 5 hours straight, because you're so pressurized, you're so stressed. Markets are meant to do that. Why I'm telling you this? Because in the community, my community is getting bigger by the day, and it's impossible for everyone to make money. No matter what are the hints I give, no matter how much support I can give, someone will always be still in a loss. But do not get disheartened. If you get disheartened and start blaming others for that, you can't succeed in this market. The first step that you have to do is accept that the loss is because of your mistakes. Number two, have a confidant. If you can't have confidence in your family in these matters, I am there. I'm being very, very honest about it. You can always drop in a WhatsApp to me, schedule an appointment over the weekend, talk to me. It's very easy to hate me. It's very easy to hate me by saying that, Devang, you were bullish today, but markets, why did they come down? I blowed up my account. It's very easy to say that. Eventually, markets came back up. I'll talk about that later. I'm not here to boast again. I'm saying it's very easy to hate someone, but try, before hating someone, making him your confidant. And I'm giving you that opportunity right now on the public platforms. I am very busy during the weekdays, but over the weekends, I do have a free schedule. I do have some time for people like you who I want to help. I don't want to charge anything for it. I told you in the last few videos, I'm not interested to charge anything for anything, any of these advices. So WhatsApp me, talk about your journey. What are the mistakes you're doing? And let me help you out. I'm not going to give you calls, trades. If you want calls or trades or that, please give a call to the Indore people in Madhya Pradesh. They'll help you with that. You'll blow up your account again, then you'll come back to me. So I'm not concerned about that. I get so many messages. Sir, I've loaded my account. Give me call, give me trade. I'm not that person, please. I'm not a nugget hunter. I'm telling you again and again. Come to this platform to learn. Because every day when I give you a trade, remember this, single thing you see on Telegram from Himalay or myself will be a personal trade. TFA is about personal trades. It's about being transparent. You will never see any recommendation. It's not a recommendation. It's any idea, any hint that's not been taken by one of us. Anything. You can always look back. So if I am doing a loss, if you are doing a loss, I will also be doing a loss. Are you understanding? So if you are having a hard time, write to me on WhatsApp. You have my numbers on Telegram, and schedule an appointment with me and talk to me. Let me make things easier for you in this journey. That's point number one. Point number two I want to talk about today, as I said, is greed. Greed is something, I don't know why people are so greedy. Why people are so greedy. I want to link it with the capital rule that we discussed about a couple of days back. Every single day. That's why I say, watch my videos in series. Don't watch my videos in isolation, because you will not understand my view. Watch my videos in a series. I will show you one screenshot that I got that has inspired me to do this. Such a beautiful message he sent. And I will show it to you in a minute. But greed and the capital rule. As I said, Devang Mehra made a 4,000 rupees loss for 10-20 minutes on a capital of 12,000. That was not a 12,000 entire capital of Devang Mehra. That was maybe 1/10 of capital. So are you seeing how much capital I used on a day, which I know is going to trap people who are greedy? Today, when I said, let's take a Hero Zero trade, first of all, I was not going to take a Hero Zero trade, which worked out really, really well. I don't know why I exited. I'll tell you why. We'll talk about that in the last 5-10 minutes. But it did turn from 80 to 160, but I hit SL, right? When I took a Hero Zero trade, I said something. Hero Zero trades are for people who are not amateurs, number one, and only puts only that much amount, which you are okay if it becomes zero. Now, some people become so greedy because, as I said, these are the days, expiries are the trade days when people can really become heroes. And people understand something. There's always a cost in life. If you think expiries can make your money 10 times, the cost will be, it will also take your money more than that. Well, it will take more money, then maybe one time it will give you money. That's the beauty about expiry. 5-6 expiry sideways, one expiry trending. Option buyers one day, selling for 5 days. And trust me, with the volatility index going on at 15, you haven't seen these numbers in the last what? It's a monthly low of the last maybe 1 year, 1.5 years, of the last couple of months, sorry. So with this volatility, it's very, very difficult to trade. And if you're still making money, imagine. And I'm telling you right now, even option sellers are not having a very good time. I can tell you that for a fact. So 1/10th rule of capital is very, very important. If you're trading on expiry, why are you being greedy? For example, I got a message. I got one message only today. Only one message. Maybe everyone did fine, but I got one message, and that person said to me that today I have lost everything. I've loaded up my account. It's because of you. You said you're bullish. I've loaded up my account. I didn't write anything. I said, this is my phone number. Give me a call if you want to. Up to you. Yes, up to you. You want to hate me or you want to talk to me? It's up to you. But what am I saying is, today, if I am only putting 12,000 in one trade because I know expiry is a day when you can just lose everything, why does everyone want to put 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh on that day? Because you know this is a lottery system. You know nothing is logical on that day, but still you put that much amount. If you have a capital of 1 lakh, put a 5 or 10K max, so that even if you do a 30% loss, now think about the numbers I'm giving you. Please, if you put 1 lakh in a trade, your entire capital in a trade, you can make, let's say you do 30% loss on an expiry. Like today, let's say you do 30% loss like me. That would be a 30,000 loss. Just you becoming greedy. Greed is the biggest sin. But if you were less greedy, that 1 lakh, if you put only 10% of your capital and then did a 30% loss, that only comes to a 3,000 rupees. Isn't that about risk management? Isn't that about capital management? You know what's the biggest important of this step? Why? Do you know why? It's about 1/10 of the capital. It's not about doing a very small loss. It's also about something much more than that. Always remember something. We have stop losses on our table. We have stop losses in the trading world to help us not be overconfident. If we're getting overconfident, and if we go against the direction, our SLs are triggered and we get out. We book a small loss, but we get out. But the biggest thing is, always remember, this is what people understand. If once you are hitting an SL, that doesn't mean you cannot re-enter a trade. It does not mean that. That is what people don't understand. You know why? Because they don't have the funds left then. Very, very powerful statement that I've learned in my life. Hope you're finding it useful. Please keep on commenting. What are the difficulties you're facing? What are the things that are going? Maybe I'm helping you out from this video, because expiries are meant to bankrupt you. Thursdays are difficult. What I'm saying is, people put 1 lakh in an options trade in an expiry, and most of them are out the money because everyone wants 0-0. So that has to become 0. But very lucky if it doesn't become 0. 1 lakh you put 50%, let's say you had an SL. You buy something at 80 rupee premium. That thing becomes 40 or 30 rupees. Or Nifty ka 20 rupees ka premium, very greedy, it becomes 5 or 10 rupees. It happens, right? And people will still hold. So imagine if you put your entire capital 1 lakh or major chunk of your capital thinking you will turn into a king. Imagine what happens. You make a 50%, 60% loss. Now that 1 lakh capital is just left with 40,000 rupees. And ab hota pata hai kya? Now when the trade comes back into force after hunting an SL, you don't have money to trade. Or even if you do trade, you will still not be happy. Why? Because jo aapne loss kiya 60,000 rupees ka, that is not going to come with the 40K capital. To recover that loss, you will require a bigger chunk of capital. And this 40,000, we again let it be. And market upar jata, it gives us the money. But we are not happy because we don't recover the amount. Eventually, kya hota hai? Markets again come down and you again lose that amount also. Eventually, everything goes away. Everything goes away. I'm again saying I'm not upset. I'm trying to prove a point, trying to explain something very, very important. Now, this is something that one of our community members sent me. See what he has written. Very, very powerful. I can't give his name and all. Very, very powerful. He said, today I exited at a stop hunt and re-entered when it was back in the range and broke out. Imagine how powerful he has said. He said, first I had 1,000 rupee loss, then I again gained 1,000 rupees. But a powerful cheese hai. If this person had put, I have a lot of messages like that, by the way, on Instagram. आप पढ़ सकते हो on our Instagram stories. If this person had put everything, क्या होता? Stop loss hit हो गया, everything is gone. Major chunk is gone. 40-50% of major capital is gone. वो हम समझते नहीं है. And now when that person had to re-enter, पैसा ही नहीं था. Devastated. We are all blown out. खत्म हो गए. That is what happened in Bank Nifty today. That is what मैंने भी ये किया आज. मैं ये क्यों कर पाया? Because मैंने कुछ कैपिटल ही नहीं लगाया था आज. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कभी नोटिस करना how much capital Devang Mehra puts on expiry. कभी नोटिस करना. Hardly you will see Devang Mehra exceeding 20-30K. Hardly. Doesn't mean I don't have money. I'm not boasting, but I'm showing you how much focused I am to disciplined plans. I have a plan and I'm focused and I'm true to the plan. And I will not change it even if markets are giving me so much greed. I'll show you what I mean by that. Today, Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. क्या हुआ? Today, our SLs were any closing 15-minute below this, but I got out. I got scared because I told you, even with a small capital, I said I don't want to take the risk. ठीक है यार, we are bullish, we will get the markets higher, but fine. एक expiry में नहीं कमाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं है. Overall, I expect all your positions are intact. All the positions that you've been holding with us should be intact. एक दिन expiry में नहीं कमाया तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. I have done a loss. I accept it. I will accept the responsibility for it. I don't have to fabricate the things. But हुआ क्या? When the markets again came back up, I sent a message on Telegram. I said, देखो markets दोबारा range तोड़ रहा है. मतलब जब stop hunt किया, we booked a loss there. Why? Because we knew we were wrong. When the market again broke out, I again entered over here. And this is what that person also read on Instagram. This is what majority of the people did today. Once the range broke out, they again entered because they were following the capital rule, they were following the risk management rule, and they didn't have to waste a lot of money because they had huge money involved in that Hero Zero trade. That is what I said in the starting. The Hero Zero trade hai, capital utna hi lagana, and this is what I earned. I read Nifty, by the way. I had my own reasons. I earned 100%. 37 का लिया, 80 का मैंने sell किया. Only 150 quantities, again with 10,000 rupees, जो भी था 7,000 rupees. Only 150 quantities. मतलब 2 lots. That is all. 100% कमा लिया पर तब भी. Because I told you one thing again and again. आज बहुत अच्छा डे होगा बुल्स के लिए. I will come to that later. I will come to that later. This is what I said. मैंने एक चार्ट भी आज भेजा था. Why I'm saying it is because अब बहुत अच्छे लोग, people are doing very well. 46,000, 23,000 people are doing because they're following the capital rules. This is what I meant. I said again the rain is breaking. उसको दोबारा खरीद लो. I hope you're understanding by what I'm trying to say. I don't have to get in much detail into this. I just really wanted to cover it up. Please, over the course of time, the community is going to become bigger. I do not want you to have that FOMO, fear of missing out. That what if markets go up? Markets are going to be there for a while. Markets are going to be there for, I don't know, till your kids are born. Much more than that. Till your 10 generations are born. Markets are going to be there. Until unless some destruction happens in the world, which is very, very 0.0001% chance. Markets are going to be there. But it's up to you. Do you want to stay? Do you want to survive? Or you just want to come in the market, play a lottery and get out after one day? That's what matters. That's what matters. Be disciplined to the plan. I've been telling you one thing again and again. You will not get single shot rallies. You have to be, I used one word, tactful, when to enter, when to not enter. याद होगा आप लोगों को. I am using these words every single day in my videos. I hope this is what I explained. So let me conclude this small lesson that I wanted to teach before I move forward with what happened in the markets today for 5 minutes. Three things I discussed. Number one, have a confidant in life. Whoever you trust, friend, could be your foe, someone like me who you hate, but have someone you trust and share what's going on in your life with him. Personal life, markets, anything. Because when you share something with someone, you will feel lighter. And I'm blessed to have a community that really loves me and respects me. And because of that, I love them and respect them. I always tell my community, my mentorship clients on Saturday, Sunday, this time I was busy, but every Saturday, Sunday, I send them a message and I say, anyone wants to talk to me, give me a call. I will call you back. Every time I do this. because I know for a fact trading is a difficult job. And if I can help 30 people, I always talk to about 30 people every week from my mentorship clients. That's why we say TFA offers a lifetime support. And I'm offering that support to you for free. So first of all, confidant. Number two, SLs are there to help you with your overconfidence. If you become overconfident, get out on the SL. But at the same time, if the trade goes back in your favor, don't be scared to enter again. Because then again, once you enter, SL will be there. But don't be scared to enter again. And that can only happen if your capital rule has been satisfied, if your risk management rule has been satisfied. That should not be broken. What I mean by that is, it should not be the case that you put everything in one trade. You can't be so bullish or bearish. If I'm putting every single day 50,000, 1 lakh into PSU bank, doesn't mean I have a capital of 1 lakh. Probably I have much more than that. That's why I'm being able to do it every single day. I'm pyramiding like crazy. Must mean I have some capital to back it up by. Again, not boasting, but trying to prove a point. So only, or don't, so a lot of people, most of the people, one very important thing, I get so many messages, sir, can you do a video on SEBI regulations, SEBI margin rules? Please, follow, please do a movement. You have a very big community, start a hashtag and be against SEBI. I will tell you one thing. You guys are focusing so much on SEBI regulations. I have told one thing to everyone. My mentorship clients, I don't come and say on Telegram. I always say one thing. Regulations will come and go. Regulation, something is there today. It will not be there tomorrow. Don't focus on something that is not in your hands. Don't focus on being a missionary or revolutionist trying to change life, change something. If SEBI has brought about a change, think about what are the positives for that. Don't you think the SEBI regulations, fine, it's a little bit difficult for the retail traders, but don't you think with that regulations also, you will also, because you're not using a lot of margin, you are not using a lot of leverage, you can actually save up by blowing your account? Why don't you think about the positives? Gaur Gopal Das, everyone knows about him. He said one very important thing, very interesting thing that I heard about 3-4 years back when I was younger than I am today. And he said, one of his gatherings, and he came on the stage and he said, do you have a he said one very, very important thing before I forget actually. He said, do you have a problem? He asked the audience. I can't quote exactly, but I'll give you a rough idea. He said, do you have a problem? That person said yes. And second follow-up question was, can you do anything about it? If the answer is yes, then he said, why worry? If the answer is no, then why worry? If you can't do anything about SEBI regulations because you're a retail trader, you can't change it, you don't have that much say, then why worry? Worry on something that is in your control. Expiry trades. You are still losing your capital 99% of the times on expiry trades. So let's worry about that first and then focus on the SEBI regulations. Maybe in the future we can control them, but can we first focus on things that are in our control, of things which we can worry about rather than something which is out of our control? So please, hundreds of videos have been uploaded by hundreds of people on YouTube. Watch them. I am least interested to make a video on SEBI regulations. My motive is not, as I said, my videos are not monetized. I do not intend them to be. I will not monetize the videos in the foreseeable future. So I don't have to make a SEBI regulation video to gather a lot of public on my channel. I will do that through my educational content, and I'm very honored that you come to my channel. So please, let's not talk about that again, right? Secondly, as I said, you can always enter a trade when the SLs are triggered. Capital rule: only put small money in a trade depending upon your capital. 1/5, 2.5% of capital, 5% of capital are very, very important numbers. 1/10 of capital. So please follow these rules, and I can promise you some success. You will. One last thing before I move on with the markets: TFA does not give calls. TFA is not into nugget hunting. You can message me again and again. You will be blocked, right? I get lots of messages, lots of love. But if you keep on asking calls and calls and calls, you will be blocked eventually, right? Blunt, but the truth. Community is getting bigger. I want to love you back, but please have that respect also. So the last message that as I said, I want to put is that TFA cannot promise you 100% returns, not even 50% returns. We can promise you 5, 6, 7% returns. So please don't be greedy. That's the biggest sin that you can have in the markets. Right? With that banter, let's start by understanding what happened in the markets today. Yesterday, you all saw my post-market video. I said one thing in the end. Forget the end also. Do you remember what I said in the post-market? What was the plan of Nifty? Let me know in the comments. I want to see how many people actually saw that turn into reality. I said one very, very important thing about Nifty Bank. Let's start with Nifty Bank. This was the closing price yesterday. I said one very, very important thing, which was if the markets are opening below, then the range will be this. That did not happen. If the markets are opening flat, good day for the bulls. If the markets are opening on the top, what did I say? What will be support? The closing price will be support. Did I say that or not? Because that is the exact level that has been the support. I'll ask you again, did I say that or not? Because people, I don't know why, aren't understanding how markets work. It's simple. If I can do it again and again with a reasonable amount of accuracy, so can you. If you see these videos, if you see the post-market videos again and again, a lot of people tell me कि आप तो वही बात बोलते रहते हो बार बार. Same thing you say it again and again, because that is what's happening for the last 10 days. And if you have been understanding that, you can actually plan the markets better, and you will not be able to short the market. आप short नहीं करोगे, but you don't listen to me. देख लिया करो वीडियोस, आप समझ जाओगे. What I said, अगर ऊपर खुलेगा markets क्या हो जाएगा, sideways to bullish. You can go and see that video. I don't have to prove it again by showing those clips. Go and see back. Sideways to bullish. Have I said one more thing? एक तो था closing price will be support. Same with Nifty. If you open above, range क्या बन जाएगा? अगर Nifty also opened in the gap up, support became क्या? The last closing price. Yesterday's closing became support. Also in Bank Nifty, remember one thing I said? I said if you're opening with a good gap up, then the range, markets में expiry में एक range बनता है. Sideways to bullish है, yes, you can see sideways to bullish. Perfect. I didn't go wrong anywhere. Number one. Number two, and I said that ये अगर support है तो ऊपर ये हो जाएगा आपका resistance. याद है? कुछ गलत नहीं बोला. I went wrong in the Hero Zero trade. आपका loss है. I'm sorry about that. I am very, very sorry about that. ठीक है. We will recover it in the future. कोई टेंशन नहीं. अगर टेंशन है मुझे फोन करो. I will motivate you. मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So एक तो ये डिस्कस किया था. दूसरा मैंने एक डिस्कस किया था पॉइंट जो मुझे काफी एक दो लोगों ने लिखा है. वैसे तो सब लोग पैसा अच्छा बना रहे हैं. One or two people said to me one thing. जो मैंने कल लिखा था. कल yesterday was June 2. मैं मैसेज पढ़ा देता हूँ. Because it's important. In the video, let's talk about the video first. In the video, I said one thing. In the last 15 seconds of the video, एक बार देख लेना. Like the Marvels movie, in the last 10 minutes, there is something happening, something interesting. I try to replicate that, some banter. So last 10 seconds, sorry, I said one thing. I said, if you trust me, let me know in the comments if you remember these words. I quote, I said, if you trust me, of finding tops and bottoms in the market, 15 minutes or major minor tops in the market, also trust me to know that our plan is unchanged. And I said like this, Kimara, we haven't even gone withered away from even 1 degree. We are moving as per plan. And with that, I end the video. Exact words I said. क्या इसके अंदर एक शॉर्ट का मैंने आपको कुछ भी बोला था शॉर्ट करो? नहीं बोला था. आज मेरे पास लोग आए कि सर एक दो बंदे थे. I think one person only. और किसी ने नहीं बोला, just one person. He said, so I'm very happy to see कितने लोग लव करते हैं and सिर्फ एक हेटर है. हेटर्स तो रहेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. I hope ना रहे in the future. But this one person said कि आपने कहा था today will be a very good day for the bulls. But मैंने लॉस किया, मैं बुलिश था, मैंने लॉस किया. I can tell you for a fact उसने क्या किया होगा. You know what he has done. And what was that? ये मैंने देखो लिखा हुआ है. ये लिखो 3 o'clock. Tomorrow will be a very good day for the bulls. ये लिखा हुआ है. I am agreeing with it. I will ask you one question. जब ये मैसेज आया था, I can tell you, you see my Instagram screenshots, 50-60% of the community took calls, BTST. 50 to 60% people. Why? Because मैंने कहा था bulls है, and everyone knew the plan is intact. People understand the markets, not because of me. Credit goes to you. If you taking a trade, even though it's based on my channels or my hints, it is your risk, your reward, and it is your effort. You can't say because of you, Devang. मेरा कुछ नहीं है इसके अंदर. I would congratulate you for that. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा था tomorrow will also be a very very good day for the bulls, very good day for the bulls, right? मैं कहाँ गलत हुआ मुझे बताओ. जिसने BTST लिया था, क्या आप लोगों ने पैसा बनाया? नहीं बनाया, मुझे बताओ. नहीं बनाया तो डिसलाइक करो, बट अगर BTST किया तो लाइक करो. कितना तो पैसा बना BTST में. मैंने फिर भी आज भी रिमाइंड किया था. आई वॉज एक्चुअली लिटिल बिट मोर बुलिश. आई वॉज एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्टिंग कि 700 के ऊपर बंद हो जाएगा. मेरा तो एक्सपेक्टेशन था, बट वी क्लोज्ड अराउंड दैट नंबर. दैट इज फाइन, दैट इज फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. मुझे एक बात बताओ, टुडे निफ्टी बैंक, कल का क्लोजिंग था 395. जो भी था, कल का क्लोजिंग क्या था? यस्टरडेज क्लोजिंग वाज अराउंड 395. आज का हाई बना 722. 300 पॉइंट ऊपर, 350 पॉइंट ऊपर, 1% बैंक निफ्टी. does that not mean very good day for the bulls? मुझे एक बात बताओ, doesn't that mean, कमेंट्स में बताओ, because I don't know क्या मैं डिलीवरी गलत कर रहा हूं अपने वर्ड्स की. बिकॉज अगर 350 पॉइंट एवरीडे इंक्रीमेंटल हो रहा है बैंक निफ्टी, दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड डे फॉर द बुल्स. एंड आई कीप ऑन सेइंग गॉड ब्लेस द शॉट्स, गॉड ब्लेस द शॉट्स. मैं कहां गलत हो रहा हूं? गलत तो नहीं हो रहा मैं. गलती क्या हो रही है? आप टैक्टफुल नहीं बन रहे. मैंने एक वर्ड यूज किया था, बहुत ट्रोल हुआ था, टैक्टफुल टैक्टफुल. आप टैक्टफुल नहीं बन रहे हो. निफ्टी का चार्ट देखो, आई टेल यू हाउ. निफ्टी का चार्ट देखो. आज निफ्टी कहां था? कल रात को कहां था? निफ्टी था 15,506, सॉरी क्लोजिंग था कल 15,590. आज का क्लोजिंग हाई क्या बना है? 15,700. 110 पॉइंट ऊपर. सोचो, बहुत नहीं है, 1% निफ्टी में गेन मिल रहा है. Isn't that a very good day for the bulls? And ऐसे ही हर रोज 100 पॉइंट जुड़ के 14,900 से मैं आपको 15,700 पे ले आया हूं. आप सोचते रहो क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, शॉर्ट करते हैं. मैंने कल एक रात को मैसेज डाला था, वॉइस नोट, बहुत लोगों ने शेयर किया. आई सॉ द स्टैटिस्टिक्स, बहुत शेयर हुआ, प्राइवेट शेयर्स. आई डोंट नो कहां गया होगा, कितने लोगों ने मेरे आइडियाज कॉपी कर रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता. आई एम नॉट कंसर्न, आई एम हैप्पी. लोग करो, अच्छी बात है. If you copy the ideas, at least you will be in the right direction. And if people are making money, that is all I care about. I don't care about if you come to me for training and all. I just care about that you live a happy life and you smile. The main reason that we are here is to give you a smile on your face at the end of your trading day. That's the entire goal of TFA. So think about this. 14,900 से 15,700 आ गया मार्केट. हर रोज आ रहा है, फिर भी शॉर्ट 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 शॉर्ट. कल रात को मैंने क्या बोला था? किसी को समझ आया था? I would like to know what is your interpretation before I actually kind of reveal it out to you. I want to reveal it out to you. What do you think I meant by the voice notes? Let me know in the comment. Let's see how many people could interpret the words correctly. I'm going to reveal it today. Don't worry. बहुत हो गया hints. क्लियर बात करते हैं, क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत क्लैरिटी से बात कर रहा हूं. मैंने 2 वॉइस नोट्स कल भेजे. 2 वॉइस नोट आई सेंट. द फर्स्ट वॉइस नोट दैट आई सेंट वाज व्हाट? मैंने ये बोला था, as long as the time cycles are in an uptrend, markets will continue in an uptrend. And when the time cycles are in a downtrend, markets will be in a downtrend. Right? And I said one more thing after that. The faster you can travel higher, the farther you can go. समझो इसको. टाइम साइकिल अपने डायरेक्शन में है. It is moving as per plan. Time is a constraint. So if I have, for example, I'm not giving you the date or anything. If I have ABC date and I'm here right now, or I can say I'm here right now, imagine the farther you can go, the faster you can go, the farther you can travel. I hope you got the idea. The slower you can go, constraint, the slower you can go, the lesser you can travel. Hint समझो, और clarity नहीं दूंगा. Second thing what did I say? मैंने कहा एक और clarity इशू करता हूँ. मैंने कहा when everyone in the world wants to go short, market नीचे नहीं गिरेगा, it will go up. And when everyone in the world wants to go long, market नीचे गिरेगा. Right? Simple thing. कुछ difficult नहीं था. Then I said something very important. बहुत deep कहा था. मुझे बहुत लोगों के messages आए उसके ऊपर. People sent me so many messages. You can see on Instagram. मैं भी डालूंगा और डालूंगा. मतलब I'm so happy with the love यार you guys have for me. Literally my life is changing. For if I compare myself, if I do my self feedback in the last 1 month to now, I'm thankful to God and I'm thankful to you for this positive change I've got in my life. And I will be ever thankful to you. And the knowledge I have is what I will owe you for my life. Keep supporting me and I will always put you in the right direction. We can go wrong for one day, but we have stops for that. I said something. I said everyone is busy doing one thing. Find tops, find tops, find tops. Read my comments. Most of them I delete also. I don't want people to get confused. मैं तो 4-5 डिलीट भी कर देता हूँ. बकवास कमेंट्स. कल शॉर्ट करेंगे, कल शॉर्ट करेंगे. मैं 10 दिन से देख रहा हूँ. कल शॉर्ट करेंगे, कल शॉर्ट करेंगे. कल ये है, कल वो है. इंट्राडे 50 पॉइंट मिल गया. देखा मैंने कहा था ना शॉर्ट करेंगे. हुआ क्या यार? कहाँ पे हैं हम लोग? Another high, another highest closing of Nifty, another highest closing of Bank Nifty. I mean, talk some sense. What I'm saying is, every single day people are finding top क्या है. And I said this. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा. I said this. People are saying 15,600, 700, 800, 900, 16,000, 16,100. जाते गए, जाते गए, जाते गए. I said one thing. I said that should you be concerned about finding the top of the market, or should you be concerned कि शायद bottom of the market has been made, and are you early enough to start your journey towards the highs, which is the unknown? Time cycle, time cycle, time cycle. The high of the market is the unknown. I'm not going to say anything else. So, are you seeing what is really happening? Couple of days back मैंने आपको बोला था 14, 15, 600, 15,600 मैं लेके आऊंगा. आ गया. मैंने आपको फिर भी कहा था 15, तब मार्केट बहुत नीचे था. मैंने कहा था 15,700 भी आएगा. आज आ गया. मैं अभी भी कहता हूँ 15,800 भी ओपन है. मैं तो बहुत देर से कह रहा हूँ. See my videos in series. I would say I'm one of the only people who saying that in public. I don't have to say it. I'm the only person I would say saying that in public. कितनी देर से बोल रहा हूँ. ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर. जाना है जाओ, नहीं जाना मत जाओ. करते करते रहो शॉर्ट, करते रहो शॉर्ट. मैं क्या कर सकता हूं? समझ रहे हो बात को? अभी भी बोलता हूं, एक डिग्री चेंज नहीं हुआ. एक डिग्री का डिग्री भी चेंज नहीं हुआ. चलने दो, चलने दो प्लीज. समझ रहे हो? नाउ फाइनली आरबीआई मीटिंग टुमारो. बहुत हो गया ज्ञान. रात को भी ज्ञान है तो ज्यादा ज्ञान नहीं दूंगा. आरबीआई मीटिंग टुमारो. क्या करना है? मैं आपको एक डिटेल्ड प्लान रात को वॉइस नोट भेज दूंगा. टुमारो बी रेडी फॉर वन थिंग. Two things. I'm not giving any plan. I'm done with the job levels. It's another breakout on Nifty. RSI कहाँ है मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. वो पता है आप लोगों को. Let's not get into all of that. What I'm saying is, देखो कल RBI पॉलिसी मीटिंग है. Expectation on the street is status quo रहेगा. Repo rate will not change. Accommodative stance. What you have to observe is what are the comments of the RBI on your inflation, on the economy. Because everyone was scared. RBI ने कहा bubble है market. They will comment on that. So let's see. Now एक चीज याद रखना. I'm giving one more hint of life. बहुत hints दूंगा. Hints को समझना सीखो. बार बार वीडियो देखो. When the news, any news comes out, let's say any good news comes out, उस डे पे रिएक्ट नहीं आता. उसका जो रिएक्शन होता है ना, वो होता है मंडे को हो जाएगा. बात को समझो. Whenever RBI comes out with a good news also, मार्केट पहले गिर जाता है. कल मार्केट वॉलेटाइल होगा बहुत ज्यादा. वॉलेटाइल मतलब बहुत ऊपर नीचे होगा. And you'll be able to see when the RBI governor, I think 10 o'clock he comes live. When he comes live, you will see that the markets go up in 3 minutes, 500 points. That happened last time. तो कल positions अपनी बना के छोड़ना, straddle करना, that's up to you. That is up to you. मैं advice नहीं करूंगा. कुछ नहीं, मतलब I'm not saying I'm against it, but it is up to you. You want to do long straddles, क्या करने वो आपके ऊपर है. Because कल market up down up down up down करता है. But कल अगर for some reason market breakout कर देता है, मजा आ जाएगा. प्लान हिला नहीं है. इट इज एज पर प्लान. वी आर नॉट शिफ्टेड इवन 1 डिग्री. कल अगर ब्रेकआउट हो जाता है, बिकॉज बैंक निफ्टी हैज बीन टुमारो बैंकिंग फाइनेंस, आई डोंट हैव टू से इट, बट देयर इन फोकस. लेट्स अज्यूम द वर्स्ट फर्स्ट. कल लेट अस से बिकॉज ऑफ, कल जनरली क्या होता है, व्हाट आई हैव सीन इन द पास्ट 1 year, फर्स्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट न्यूज, people don't understand news हो क्या रहा है in the live market. तो whatever is the news ना, actual उसका impact Monday आएगा. Remember this. अगर कल पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट भी होता है ना, मे बी कल मार्केट गिर जाए, who knows, बट उसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट आपको मंडे दिखेगा. मार्क माय वर्ड्स. सेकेंडली टुमारो क्या होता है, ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट पहले गिर जाएगा, फिर आफ्टर 12 फिर बढ़ जाएगा, तो लाइक अ ड्यूअल काइंड ऑफ ट्रेंड मूवमेंट होती है. लेट अस से टुमारो फॉर सम रीजन मार्केट गिर गया, आरबीआई ने बोल दिया दिस दैट मार्केट्स आर बबल, वर्स्ट केस बोलेगा नहीं, वर्स्ट केस बोल दिया, नीचे अगर मार्केट मिले, अगर नीचे मार्केट मिले, क्योंकि कल आई थिंक टुमारो इज फ्राइडे, सो यहाँ तो बहुत अच्छा डे होगा कल, यहाँ बहुत गंदा डे होगा. आई डोंट थिंक साइडवेज रहेगा. पर्सनली आई एम टेलिंग यू, डोंट टेक मी फॉर इट, ऑलवेज टेक इट विद अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट. बट अगर कल नीचे मार्केट मिलता है, इट विल बी हेवन फॉर यू. इट विल बी एन हेवन फॉर पीपल हु हैव मिस्ड एवरी ऑफ माय वीडियोस फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू डेज. हेवन होगा, खरीद लेना, ठीक है, खरीद लेना. मुझे लगता नहीं है इतना नीचे गिरेगा, बट we never know what the RBI governor says. It's a very, very important thing to track. Find your supports. I will give a detailed commentary in the night. Find your supports, because if it falls, then 1-2% ऐसे गिर जाता है. Bank Nifty के लिए it's very, very easy. Find your supports and then try to buy at the day end there. Because अगर कल market गिरता है, remember my words, if the markets fall on Friday, Monday भी गिरेगा, but only for the first 30 to 1 hour minutes or 1 hour, then you will see another change in the trend back to the plan. That's if the markets fall down. Secondly, if the markets don't fall down, if the market breaks out, because now Bank Nifty has been consolidating. आज तो इसने एक small breakout दे दी है, number one. Now tomorrow you can see the all-time high, the current market high at 35,700. तो इसके ऊपर ब्रेकआउट है. तो अगर तो इसके ऊपर कल बिकॉज ऑफ दैट न्यूज ब्रेकआउट आ जाता है, तो फिर लंबा चल सकता है. एक्सपेंशन को प्ले करना, ठीक है. अगेन आई एम सेइंग, अगर रीजन मिले तो शॉर्ट करो. इफ यू डोंट गेट द रीजन, फालतू में क्यों शॉर्ट करना चाहते हो. सो विद दैट आई विल एंड द मीटिंग एंड आई विल सी यू टुडे इन द नाइट. थैंक यू सो मच.